Rising from the desert sands, Dubai becomes a city of light when the sun goes down. The Burj Khalifa pierces the night sky, surrounded by glowing skyscrapers and the shimmering Arabian Gulf. Along Sheikh Zayed Road, the city never slows, fountains dance, cars shine, and life moves at a futuristic pace. This is Dubai at night, luxury, innovation, and light combined. Watch the full top 10 most beautiful cities at night on my channel.